see on the GoPro, we've got Trav up the front in auto mode. He's no hands, stand up the front, absolutely easy. As soon as you put it back in manual mode, Trav looks like an octopus in a blender up the front. It's a weapon of a boat. And with Ride on here, it really lets you push it to its absolute maximum.
Now the guys who brought us the Seakeeper Gyro have another very clever tool. This one is called Ride. Now this is not a fancy trim tab system. Don't let them hear you calling it a trim tab system. This is a vessel attitude control system. Obviously Ride was just a lot easier to remember. And VAX as an acronym, that sounds shit as well.
So this is the Veach 23 center console, and it's hull number 3, so it's one of the ones with the super steep 27 degree of dead rise. And this boat without rides originally was a bit of a handful, and by adding rides, we've really turned this into a boat that we can just put anyone in. You can jump in, leave ride in auto mode, and you can drive it and push it hard. If you turn ride off, hold on. The secret to the Seakeeper ride system is how fast it can move. So it can take 1,000 measurements per second in all directions, so roll, pitch and yaw, and then from that we can make some calculations and work out what adjustments we need to do on the controllers, and we can do 100 adjustments in a second. So in terms of the system, it's really simple. Up the front under the dash we've got an inertia control unit, and that's measuring exactly what the boat's doing. That's sending a signal through one wire from the front of the boat to the back of the boat to a little distribution block, and that just sends power to each actuator and tells those actuators what to do. Really simple.